Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The greatest Shiba Inu currency fraud currently making headlines is run by Elon Musk. Despite being a meme coin, Shiba Inu is still trying to dominate the entire cryptocurrency market. The goal of this coin was to enhance what Deutsche Coin has to offer. Shiba Inu has in many ways fulfilled its intended purpose. There isn't much that sets Shiba Inu apart from other popular meme coins or competing coins in the market. Ryoshi, a Deutsche Coin development team that split off, founded Shiba Inu. Similar doc-themed rules were taken by Ryoshi and applied to Deutsche Coin. Strangely, a lot of customers have praised Shiba Inu's entry into the market. On the biggest memecoin in the world, it's often referred to as healthy competition. There is a little market for Shiba Inus. Therefore, there is no chance of being unable to manage the project's cost. Additionally, Shiba Inu provides a platform where users may send crypto tokens to one another. We will discuss Elon Musk's role in the greatest Shiba Inu currency fraud currently making headlines in this video. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shibaswap is the name of this platform. Leash, Shib, and Bone are the three main tokens on this platform. There are hosted decentralized applications available. Also take note of the fact that the Shiba Inu blockchain hosts a number of decentralized applications. One of the biggest and fastest growing crypto communities is this one. The bear market has resulted in lower returns for the majority of cryptocurrency investors. Most cryptocurrencies are still struggling to recoup their losses. The second most popular meme cryptocurrency is called Shiba Inu. In the Bitcoin market, it also experiences one of the most profitable value increases. Shiba Inu's spectacular rise to fame in 2021 was accompanied by sharp price hikes. Given this, someone who purchased a Shiba Inu in January 2021 for $10 would have amassed millions as a result of the nearly 40 million% rise. Shiba Inu shares the same volatility risk as other meme tokens. Shiba Inu's price dropped along with those of other meme tokens in early 2022 when the cryptocurrency market imploded. But as its usefulness increased, so did its price, which has since stabilized. Shiba Inu developers are also altering its use cases to make it more resilient to the future. The cryptocurrency's introduction into the NFT and metaverse marketplaces is one such modification. In the second quarter of 2022, Shiba Inu debuted Shiba Lands, 100,595 virtual lands that are accessible at different project levels. Additionally, Shiba Inu's base network has just improved its Ethereum blockchain, which could lead to transactions that are quicker and less expensive. The 28% increase in one token attracts bears for Shiba Inu. It has become one of the most well-known altcoins on the Bitcoin market as a result of this. The environment of the Shiba Inu includes Bone, the Leash token, another one of the meme altcoins in supply and circulation, and the Bone Sheep swap are both perfectly suited to each other. Shiba Inu was once one of the most sought-after coins on the market, and while some people still haven't given up on the idea of investing in it, the cryptocurrency market has quickly evolved. All investors need to be aware of any updates that can affect their Shiba Inu investments. The Shiba Inu army and the Shiba Inu community can vote on upcoming proposals from Doggy DAO using the governance token called Bone. The community is in charge of this decentralized system, and voting will decide which new trade pairs will be added to Shibaswap. Independent exchange. The Shiba Inu price is anticipated to start off well if the market pair for 2022 concludes by the beginning of 2023. The maximum price for the Shiba Inu, according to coin researchers who have studied its chart patterns, is predicted to be about $0.0022701. In 2023, the minimum and typical trade prices will be $0.959 and $0.00201, respectively. The Metaverse platform is predicted to drive the Shib price to increase to a new peak in 2024. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency's average trading price will be $0. Technical evaluation. The trade prices will be $0.2941 and $0.0336 respectively. The Shiba Inu price surge is anticipated to carry on in the bull market after the price momentum of 2024. Technical analysis predicts that the average Shiba Inu trading price will be $0.4335. The Shiba Inu coin's minimum and maximum prices are anticipated to reach $0.4183 and $0 after studying many variations. The cryptocurrency exchange Uphold's announcement of the listing was one of the factors that helped the token's price. The cryptocurrency trading website disclosed listing 7 alternative coins on its exchange on November 30th, including Bone. The Shiba Inu community's pressure led to this listing and encouraged other exchanges to follow suit. As an illustration, Sun Crypto, India's top cryptocurrency platform, chose to make the token available to its users. Bone has also been listed on the Cayman Islands cryptocurrency exchange. Because Binance is the top exchange in its niche in the cryptocurrency world, these developments have spurred speculation that it will be the next exchange to list the altcoin. The trading of Bone on its platform could raise the token's volume and raise its capitalization. Developers continue to advance behind the scenes in a market context where liquidity issues for crypto firms are the main source of worry. Although the FTX collapse severely damaged the credibility of the cryptocurrency sector, technological advancement is not necessarily being slowed down. According to the report, Web3 usage is expected to increase as a result of bigwigs like Elon Musk supporting cryptocurrency projects. It is commonly known that Musk enjoys using Dogecoin, a well-known memecoin. Musk's social approval of Doge had such a significant effect that it completely changed how people saw memecoins. The Shiba Inu team is presumably working on a significant network update that is possibly more significant than Shibarium, Shib's Layer 2 blockchain scaling solution. Shib Trophy submitted an update about finishing the design for version 1 without mentioning the project in the most recent Shiba Inu developer update. The project would be launched in stages, the developer added, to help with the flow of the content. He made a suggestion about a prospective update to the Shib ecosystem, albeit it was initially assumed to be about the Shibarium project. It turned out, though, that the developer was referring to the ecosystem as a whole. A recent survey revealed that the Shib community is overwhelmingly in favor of completing the Shibarium upgrading work. In an upcoming fireside chat event, the Shiba Inu Metaverse team is also anticipated to reveal some unexpected information. A yearly recap is believed to be the main topic of the talk. The Shib price, meanwhile, has recently moved in a sideways fashion and has mostly been flat. Shib's price on December 8th was $0.9183, up 1.6%, as reported by the market monitoring service CoinMarketCap. The value of Shiba Inu, the second largest meme cryptocurrency in the world, has significantly increased during the past week. According to a recent tweet from Whale Alert, an anonymous whale moved roughly 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, worth $26.3 million, between wallets. Both addresses are quite fresh and inactive. There are just Shib tokens in these wallets. Notably, among the top 100 largest Ethereum whales, Shib is no longer the whale with the largest holding. Statistics on whales show that Shiba Inu coin burn rate has decreased by 41% during the past 24 hours, according to Shibburn data. Despite the large movement of Shib across whale wallets, the burn rate of the coin decreases. The most recent announcement may be related to Shib transfers across wallets. The top 1,000 ETH whales own a combined $32.1 million worth of Shib, according to Whale Stats on Chain data. Oracle blockchain chain Link, also known as Link, is their second largest position, valued at $11 million. Gaming metaverse protocol Decentraland, also known as Mana, is their third largest holding, valued at $6.7 million. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.